Bailey. Bailey. What are you doing? Are you gonna mow the lawn? You need help out. Where are you going? She's such a mess. Bailey, what are you doing?
Wawa?
Wawa? Yeah, is that Wawa?
Hey, you like Wawa?
Yeah.
The water's fun. Get down on her level. Whoa! It's a lot of water, Bailey. Whee!
Say wee! It's coming back, Bailey.
Whee!
Do you think it gets all the plants tall enough?
I don't know, it's fun to watch.
Bailey, why don't you mow the lawn? Where's your lawnmower?
Whoa, where'd the baby go?
Where are you going? Where's the baby going? Go get the water. Go get the water. Oh, fell down.
Uh-oh. Bailey didn't come out the other side. There she is.
Bailey, get the water. Get the water.
What are you doing? Oh. Wee. What are you doing, Miss Priss?
She keeps going in circles around it. I don't know why she does that.
I don't know. She knows why she does that. What you doing, Bailey? Trees dripping on her.